Hey y'all, welcome back to Small Town Southern Wife. Today, we are getting off our butt and we are starting to do casserole dinners. Devon is tired of sitting around. She's ready to get to work and get this little bundle of joy ready to come out.
What you doing?
She's been bouncing on this ball for 3 days now. So we are filling that freezer up so TJ don't go hungry in the months to come. It'll make it a lot easier on Devon when TJ helps her with that baby. He'll have plenty of meals to pull out of the freezer and put them in the oven. You know, TJ runs stuff around his house, Devon will tell you. He knows how to run the vacuum cleaner, the oven, and the broom. But these casseroles will make it a lot easier, for they can help each other and enjoy their new baby. Hey y'all, today we're down here at Tj and Devon's and we're making postpartum casserole dinners to make sure she has enough food to last her when she comes home with the baby. It's going to be any day now. We're just waiting for it to happen. I think you'll wind up using them.
I think so.
To start off with, we're making a taco casserole. And we've already cooked our meat mixture and added our corn, our tomatoes, and our rice, and our black beans. And now we're going to put it in the casserole dish. And we're going to make sausage balls in just a minute. But first, we're going to pan these casseroles right here up. Where's her foot sticking out?
Her foot's over here.
She's going to give
and her
you
big old booty.
She's going
to have her daddy's butt.
This right here is probably enough for two. What do you think?
You can probably fill it up.
Yep, I think so too.
You go with like chips, like dip. Oh yeah, you can fit all that in there.
I'm gonna put a little thin layer of cheese in the middle. And then we'll put more of the mix. You want chips on top of that?
Yeah, okay.
Then you can even eat it with the chips too.
Yep, like dip it with chips. Put some sour cream and guacamole on it. That's gonna be good.
You could even shred you up some lettuce.
Yeah.
And put on top of it like the day you want to, or what you're eating. Because this would be more than one day for y'all.
Oh yeah. The other meals that I made are a pan's bigger than that.
Really? Oh yeah.
Because that's all I had. So they're definitely gonna be like 2-3 day meals.
TJ's gonna come back and think, well, where did that cheese go we bought?
That's what he said. He said, we better get the big bag of cheese because if your mama's cooking, then she's gonna use some cheese.
You know I gotta use my cheese and my butter. Just gonna pour them all in there. You got aluminum foil?
Yep.
We'll wrap it. Or, cause did it come with tops?
It does. Get a Sharpie to write on the top of it.
Gotta label it, that way you'll know what you're cooking.
What's today's date?
The 20th, I think. Okay, right here we have 2 pounds of sausage, 1 pack of stuffing mix, and 1.5 cups of cheddar cheese. Now we're going to roll out our sausage balls. This is the stuffing mix that we're using in our sausage balls. All right, there's our sausage balls. We're fixing to put them in the oven on 350 for about 30 minutes. We just took the sausage balls out of the oven. Now we got to take them out of this and drain that little bit of grease out. We're going to put them back and freeze them. Does it get a thumbs up? Okay, our next recipe is called what, Devon?
$1 Million Chicken.
And right now, as much as chicken costs, I think we almost gave that for it.
Yeah, for sure.
5 breasts, $14. Boy, that pan's slick.
Yeah.
I can't believe it took just that little bit of oil.
Mm-hmm. Slides right on out.
Yeah. Lord, I got your kitchen in a total disaster. All right, that right there, I'm just, because that piece is still a little pink, I'm just going to let it sit over here and cook. TJ can eat that after a while. Puts a pretty brown color on that chicken.
Yeah. You can have cheese, right?
Yeah.
Cream cheese, sour cream.
Yep, cream cheese, sour cream. This one right here we could eat.
Except the breadcrumbs on top.
Yep. If we had, well, I would use pork rinds if I was making this one at home. With either maybe some Parmesan cheese mixed in the pork rinds.
Yeah, oh yeah.
That'd make a good crust. All right, you may have a couple little chunky pieces where it's so hot now I can't touch it. Now I'll get a spoon.
Had a garlic powder. I'll just use some leash.
I was glad I found that total seasoning the other day.
Oh my gosh, me too.
I use that on everything.
Everything I make, I put it in.
All right, this whole block.
Yep.
We might use
That's
that.
so good.
You may have to get your blender out for this.
Sour cream.
Is it coming out?
You might need to scoop her out. Just use up the rest of this.
What is that, cream
Rest
cheese?
of cream cheese that I had left over.
You want me just to, you want to measure this or just put some in there until it looks good? We don't measure around here. I don't at my house either. Now tell me how much parsley.
That's good. And then we'll do cream of mushroom or cream of chicken and
Some of these.
yep.
Woo. And then the butter is for the crust?
Yeah, butter for the crust and the
Well, that come out there pretty easy.
yeah.
Why y'all making fun of me?
You're laughing because you know what I'm laughing at.
Get down. Get down. I'm already having to yell at Riley. She ain't out yet.
Oh yeah, that cream cheese is,
Melt with that hot. Ow!
that warm
Your
chicken
mom's-
will soften it up some.
Your mom's recording.
I wish
No, I'm not.
Oh. Hey.
Yeah, I am.
I figured.
can't lie. I better not lie.
Oh, that smells so good. It tastes already. You
Those
smell
two
like
pieces
gas.
right here, TJ,
Are for you to eat.
just for you to eat if you get to want something.
I'm still hungry.
I know you
I
haven't.
might eat them.
You haven't eaten anything today. It's 2:30. I mean, I've only had French fries, but
There's what the $1 million chicken looks like.
Now we just need the $1 million.
yeah, to go with it.
Hey,
Would you trade that for $1 million?
well, heck yeah. This 5 breasts though costed $14.
Yep.
That's what Devon said. She said I need to roast some chicken.
Like your mom, she's teaching you how to really grease a pan.
It won't stick if you grease it good.
Give you some extra flavor too.
Had you already sprayed that first pan and then I sprayed it again?
Mm-hmm.
I wondered that after I picked it up and sprayed it.
Yep. 5 tablespoons of protein.
You need to take that poinsettia home before you die.
It's already dead, honey.
The other one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I forgot them the other day.
Yeah, I've already killed, looks like 2 of them.
Look, that's just enough chicken for this.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
It'll take that whole sleeve of crackers, I bet.
Yeah, if not more. I got more to get it.
You have the crackers on top.
Yeah, with butter. I told David we're gonna have every dish in here messed up before it's over.
That's what you want in a woman right there.
If you need some chicken.
I'm just kidding. Don't cancel culture. Don't take me off YouTube.
No, what? Oh, it's not, the leg's not standing
Oh,
up.
I done messed up the thing.
Look.
All right, I think I got you.
Alright. And then, how do I mix the crackers? Crumble crushed crackers and butter. Sprinkle over mixture. So I guess we gotta mix the crushed crackers
Yep,
with the
we'll have
butter.
to get a different bowl,
I really want one of these sausage rolls.
a bigger bowl. Are y'all eating my sausage balls? No. We're going to make another batch of those. You got the stuffing and you got sausage. And TJ bought the big bag of cheese. So you got plenty of cheese.
Yeah, we didn't go wrong buying the big bag of cheese. You were right.
I told you. If Mama gonna help you cook, you gonna go through some cheese.
Cheese and butter.
And cooking spray.
We bought some more cooking spray yesterday.
Yeah, we got 3 cans of cooking spray. Plus that one. It looks so, looks so good.
I'm gonna have to not, I gotta quit cooking quite so much.
Why?
Y'all have too much food down here. You won't want us to come and cook.
That ain't true.
Oh yeah.
That ain't true.
You know what I thought about doing is some biscuits. And then like frying something to put in them.
Okay, but now I'm getting hungry.
Like a chicken biscuit.
She's got that buffalo chicken pizza in there too.
Yep.
Go get you some.
You need to eat something. You ain't eating.
Y'all might, if you want it for tonight, you ought to set it out, because it's froze.
You'll eat that tonight?
All right, add the butter and the crackers together for your topping.
What? What? Is this payback? What you got to say?
That's how I like my men. Get in the kitchen and cook me some food.
That's what you want in a man, right?
That's right.
He likes to cook.
Huh. That's funny. That is funny.
You don't?
No, we don't cook.
Well, he told me he done all the cooking.
I know you didn't.
I'm just kidding.
Shoot.
All right, there's one more done.
Get some more tape.
The $1 million chicken casserole.
That's what I call clog your artery casserole.
Why? Cause the butter? Oh,
Butter
the cream
and
of chicken?
cream cheese and sour cream.
Don't forget to write on there what it is.
You need a marker?
Got one right here.
TJ, this little bit of rice, you're just gonna have to eat it
Yeah,
tonight.
eat it with your chicken. Will you keel
You're
over?
gonna add it in there and just let it warm up?
Yeah.
Or you keel over?
I don't know, like pouring them.
That's not enough for you.
Just trying to say.
You say that you're a man and so I'm gonna put how many zeros are in 1 million? Is that 1 million?
Yeah.
$1 million chicken. You're gonna have to find a spot for that, TJ, because that freezer's starting to get pretty full out there.
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
I'll put it over here.
I'm gonna go put some stuff in that chest freezer.
All right, we're done with all our cooking and Devon's cleaning up after her mother-in-law now.
It's a little bit of bleach.
Okay, y'all, that's our video on filling TJ and Devon's freezer. It took a little bit, but we got it done. They've got a freezer full of meals, so when they get home from the hospital, it'll make it simple and easy just to pull them out, put them in the oven, and they'll have dinner ready and simple and easy. So they can put all their time in that newborn baby that's going to take up a lot of their time. It seems like 9 months took forever, but it really didn't. I bet to Devon it seems like it did, but she's ready for it to be over with and have that little baby girl in her hands. And TJ's ready to be a daddy. And we wanted to say also to all our friends, our family, our subscribers, and even the people that don't subscribe to our channel but watches our videos, to TJ, Alan, Devon, and Haley, y'all always remember, food and family. A family that eats together stays together. Until our next video, thanks for watching.